Hi everyone! Today we're doing notes on 11.5, probability with the fundamental counting principle, permutations, and combinations. Consider the 6 dad jokes again. Let each joke be written on one of 6 cards which are randomly drawn, one card at a time. The order in which the cards are drawn determines the order in which the jokes are delivered. What is the probability that a joke about something with the human form is told first and a joke involving food is told last? So first, let's figure out the total number of ways with nothing specific. So there are 6 jokes, so this would be 6 factorial, or 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to give us 720 ways. Now let's think about the specifics. We have something with the human form, so that's going to be like our scarecrow or our skeleton. And then we also have a joke involving food, so that's going to be the nacho cheese or the Beethoven banana joke. Okay, so we have 6 places. And there's 2 with the human form. That has to go first, so I'm going to put a 2 here. And there's 2 involving food, so I'm going to put a 2 in the last spot. And then we have 4 jokes remaining because we've told 2. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Multiply these all together, and that gives us 96. So if we want to figure out the probability, this is going to be 96 divided by 720, which reduces to 2 out of 15, or about 0.13 repeating. Okay. Hitting the jackpot in Powerball is not the only way to win a monetary prize. For example, a minimum award of $10,000 is given to a player who correctly matches 4 of the 5 numbers drawn from the 59 white balls and 1 number drawn from the 35 red Powerballs. Find the probability of winning this consolation prize. Express the answer as a fraction and as a decimal, correct to 9 places. So first, let's do the total. And for our total, there's 5 white balls times the 1 Powerball. So we know that there are 59 white balls and there are 35 of the red Powerballs. So this is going to be 59 C5 times 35 C1. So this is going to give us 175,223,510. Okay, now we have to think about what happens for the consolation. The consolation, they match 4 of the 5 numbers of those 59 white balls. And so for this, we have 4 of the 5 match, and we have 1 that's a non-match. Okay, so this is 5C4 times 54C1. And then we also have to think about, we have to match the Powerball. So this automatically happens, this 1 Powerball. So this is going to be 5C4. 54C1 is going to give us 54. Our Powerball matching, there's only one way for that to happen. So this gives us a total of 270. So now, if we write this as a fraction, we get 270 divided by 175,223,510. And so then if we round this to 9 places, this is about point, and then you have 5 zeros, and then 1, 5, 4, 1. Okay. Our last problem for today. A club consists of 6 men and 4 women. 3 members are selected at random to attend a conference. Find the probability that the selected group consists of A is 3 men and B is 2 men and 1 woman. So first let's find the total together. Our total, we have 10C3, which is going to give us 120. So I would like you to try to figure out the probability for A, 3 men. Okay, for 3 men, we know there are 6 men in the group, so I have 6C3, and this is going to give me 20. So my probability, I have 20 divided by 120, which reduces to 1/6, or 0.1667, or you could write it as 0.16 repeating. I would like you to try B now. 2 men and 1 woman. So if I have 2 men, it's going to be 6C2, which will give me 15. The women, this is going to give me 4C1, because we're choosing 1 woman, which is 4. Then remember, we always had to multiply these together. 15 times 4 is going to give us 60. So to find the probability, 60 divided by 120 is 1/2, or 0.5. And that's the end for today.